Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
Tinkering with a blend door. They said that the passenger side is not cooling properly. I do not have my infrared temp gauge. If I did, I'd show you this. The air is on, pointing to face, fans on kind of high. This side, the air is cold, feels about 55 degrees. This side, the air is not even blowing as hard, but it's kind of on the warm side. Lukewarm, hot, getting hot over here, even though the car is not even warm yet. So, let me go and figure out which blend door this is. I think I know. We'll check that out. Open the glove box door. I'm going to pull the glove box. I should see that blend motor down there. It should look just like this. It's the part number on this one, 805. And these numbers down here in the corner. So let me see if it's the same motor. Plug it in, see if it functions, and then swap that thing out. Hard to reach, but it is possible. Come down into the glove box compartment. That should be the motor there. I'm going to unplug it, test the one that I have for replacement, and if it works, I'm going to go ahead and pull that one and replace it. Unplugged it, got my replacement plugged in. I'm going to turn the system on. And that thing is turning. See it turning? I seen it. Go to hot. As you can see, it's turning. I'm going to go all the way to cold. It's turning all the way to cold. Very hard to reach screws. You got one on this end and two on the front. Goes in there like this. I'm going to use this Torx 15 to get at it. Reach down there, pull the screws out, match up the rod on it, set it in place, screw it down. I removed the lower screw by removing the lower panel. As you can see, it's easily accessed from there. So now this motor should slide out. Be careful when you do that. You don't put any pressure on this door and break this door. So, let me go ahead and slide this motor out. Get the what I just realized is when you unplug these motors from the temperature blend door, that door falls full close. So I crank this over to full close. Now I can install it. But right now, if I turn it on very low temp, I got full cold. When I turn the fan faster, I get the door actually closes with the pressure and goes full hot. So that blend door thing back there, try to zoom in. When I take the temperature, I take the fan down to slow, you'll see that thing turn and never full close. There it is. So when you pull the motor, it falls full cold. Well, good things happen. My nephew Daquan told me if you take a piece of metal and scrape it on a magnet, it'll magnetize it real quick. So I magnetized that little teeny screw and was able to get that last screw in this upper corner. So it has all three screws. We're good to go. I'm going to put this back together and they'll get air on both sides of the car. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post.
You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.